be making banana bread. It's called banana bread because it's super banana. It has nuts, and I need these 3 bowls. And we are gonna do everything from zero, and I hope it doesn't burn. It's gonna be perfect. I just know. And this recipe is for 11 years ago, so the website doesn't exist anymore. Can you believe we don't have juice? Lightly grease a 9-incher. Next, in a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups. In a large flour. How do you say banana? You say plátano, but I like it more how it sounds banana. I don't like to say the word plátano. Very sexualized. Plátano. My friends are like scared. Oh my god, I made a mess already. Of eating a banana in public. I'm like, bro, what? Just eat it. Banana. Happy birthday, Grimace. I showed my dad the Grimace video and I said, can we do one of these? And my dad said, no. Those are just clowns, he said. No, because they did, you're supposed to do it too. They're just clowns. Do what all this. And then 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a teaspoon of baking soda. This is the baking soda. Try it little. I'm gonna be farting. Oh my god, it is. It's like salty. It gave me like an explosion in my jaws. A teaspoon. That's a lot. A teaspoon's a lot. But what it says, with the Grimace, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And a teaspoon, and a 1/4. How do I know what is a 1/4 of a teaspoon? I'm just not gonna add a lot. Perfecto. Alright. We mixed. And now in a separate bowl, cream together half a cup of butter. Half a cup? All of it. Is this for the banana? So this is for all of it. All of it. Hello, Shadow Sensation. How are you? Good morning. All of it. And then half a cup of butter. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. 3/4. Only 3/4? Wait, what is a 3/4? 3 times this? Or 1/4? 3/4. Yes, 3 times. Hi guys, I'm so smart. 3/4 of a cup. So that means 3 1/4s, right? Fill up between half and full. No, but I have 1/4 here. This is on the handle. Read the labels, Waya. Thank you, Robbie, for the host. Is that my second or my third? There you go. I think I added 3, right? Oh, I need the machine that you do, but I don't want to use that. You only added 2. No, I did not. That was 3. Thank you. How was the cooking go? It's perfect, Robbie. It's perfect. Oh, I haven't mixed this enough. We just started. I'm already doing a mess. I don't know why. Anyway, I don't want to use it. Oh my god, there's gonna be such a problem. I shouldn't have done this. I should have done it like the ladies doing it. Look, now everything is stuck there. I'm gonna try to save this. See that?
So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cat. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat.
Sugar now. This is so disgusting. Will I try it again?
And he packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day.
Machine just electric whisk. That's true.
Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
It's 2 electric whiskers. It's working now. Oh my goodness. Big brain time, really. It has to be so mixed.
Like damn, she in her mood.
That like the pieces of butter has to be super like smally. Mix it enough? No, because the person has no little. I think it doesn't have any little butters. They have to be like way smaller. It is working. Wasting extreme focus to mix until the sun goes down. No, I'm just scared. I just want it to look good. I don't want to do anything bad for you guys. I don't want to be like, oh yes, this is done, this is done. I want to do it right, calm. Okay, what is that? I want to Okay, I think it's fine now. Let's mash this nuts. Yeah, of course I got super. I think these are a lot, but that's fine because I want it crunchy. Sometimes I used to make, and it's just not the same. Acorns? No! Pecan helps. I don't know. Can you use flour balls to smash them? I don't think it fits. Well, these are already good. It has some big ones. Trying to smash the bananas. They have to be very ripe.
Okay, cute.
Okay, cute. So I'm gonna add 2 very ripe bananas. Chestnuts, walnuts, or chin nuts. It only says pecan. Heavy on it. Oh my god, with this disgusting song. Are we really cooking with this disgusting song? Now I know why nobody wants to marry me. Oh my god. Just kidding, they do want to. I'm single for auction, and I love this song. Ooh, this is kind of harder than the other. And now this does have to be very smashed. This does have to be like almost liquid. I was like, I haven't had sugar in this like back song, but I did already in that brown sugar. So much sugar. Delicious. Anyway, how? Ooh. Again. It has to be seamless. Okay. Now. Ready. Banana. Let's go. Ugh. I don't know if I had to do this. Well, maybe yeah, right? Yeah, I mean, yeah. What else? But I don't know if I have to with my hands. No, it's not. Okay, let's just. I think starting a fire. Shh, yes. Now I'm actually gonna do the Riley one. The Riley methods. It's his favorite method to do. Looks so good, right? And it has the nuts and everything. But it's still kind of hard, so I think this is gonna be better if I do it with the, because I think it's gonna get thicker, so I'm gonna use the tenedor. It's already smelling so good. Oh! Who would have known? Physics! I was about to spill it everywhere. But I think it worked. Oh no, it didn't work. It's still super dusty. You scrape all the bottom of the bowl? No, do you think there might be like... Okay, I'm doing it right now. Maybe there's like dust, right? Flour. Well, it's better now. Hola, you're doing it wrong. I'm not. Why? This is perfect. It's gonna melt. You no. Más, sí, ¿verdad? Happy birthday, Grimace. Happy birthday, Grimace. Use your hands. No! It's sticky. It's perfect. You. You know what would be nice to use? That thing that is like made out of gum. But I think I can do it. I mean, how much can I get, right? I'm gonna get stick to pan. No, it won't. It will not, because I put butter in it. Oh my god, this bread is gonna be so skinny. That's fine. I'm gonna touch hot oven. No, I put on a hat. Which one goes inside? This one or this one? This one. 60 minutes. I'm gonna wait 40.
1 hour later.
It's so perfect, guys. It's so perfect. Look, this is like this on one side, and this is the back side. Oof. Oh my god, I never mopped this floor. Hopefully it's good. Anyway, let's try it. Bye, Keeper Kai. Well, it just stopped. That's what I was trying. Look, this is the back side. Amazing. After cum smudge. All right. Let's go, guys. Let's try it. Extra seasoning. I didn't even need this. Mmm. That's cake. I mean, banana bread. Guys, do this. It's super easy. Do it. Do it for your grandma. Do it for your aunt. Do it for your mother, for your father, for your cousins, for your neighbor. Mmm. It has never tasted good. I swear. I've done it like 3 times. It has never been this good. Thank you so much for being here today.
Alright, yeah.